The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Monday. Hope everyone had a great weekend. Hope everyone's ready for a great week. Let me get my pages set up here. Good morning, Crypticon. Good morning, CVR. Good morning, Mr. G. Let me get my chat popped out. There we go. Move that window. Pin my chat. Morning, Juan. Good to see ya. There we go. Just give me one more second to move my software around, and then we're good to go. Okay. And Q's moving up here. Unfortunately, I missed that move. I had to run to the bathroom. So let's look at overnight. It's been kind of flat. Flat is where it's at. Low 40.43 on ES. Looks like the high was 40.62. So about 19 points of range there. NQ low 12.283. The high 12.378. 283, 378. It's just under 100 points in range. Yeah, Crypt. I've been doing a lot of videos coming out. Got a lot of stuff planned. Excuse me. Kappa, about 160 ticks. In range, gold, about 11 points in range. Ultra Bond has gone up further since I moved that yellow line earlier this morning. About a point and a quarter there. Natural gas, big drop off at the open. Still dropping like it's hot. About 150, 170 ticks of range there. Big move recently for natural gas. And crude oil, last but not least, about 160 ticks. Bitcoin still hanging around 22,400. That's where we sit, stand, or whatever body posture you want. We're going to be trading the fast track today. Nightbot's all of a sudden all wild. Chill out, Nightbot. Anyway, so yeah, we're going to be trading the fast track today since it needs help, and we're going to do that today and the rest of this week, or until I pass or below it for these next 4 days. How's everybody's weekend? I appreciate that, Crypticon. That interview with Josh is blowing up to almost 500 views, which is like the most views I've ever gotten on a video besides the Bolinox video that I actually promoted. And the tips and tricks video from Learn to Trade. So, and I saw a new subscriber. I don't know if he's still hanging around. Reynold N Cube. If you're still here, welcome. Glad to have you. So, got the charts ready. We're ready to rock and rumble. Not much news this morning. You can see the one bit of news, the countdown to it, up in the top right-hand corner below the P&L area. All we have this morning is, give me a second. Financial Jews added this DDoS protection. It's annoying. U.S. factory orders month over month. And core durable goods revised. Nothing big. Tomorrow, though. Tomorrow, 10 a.m. Eastern, Powell speaks. It's like Powell speaking on Wednesday, too. Of course, the big news event this week is non-farm payrolls on Friday. Well, besides maybe those Powell speeches. Let me get some music going here. We're rising up. Morning, Matt. How was your weekend? Oh, wait, you can hear the music? Oops. Hold on, I need to fix that. Oopsie. Okay. I forgot I had to turn that on for interviews and I forgot to turn that back off. Sorry about that, guys. And Q pushes back down. How much snow did you get, Matt? Crypticon, it's called binaural beats. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right. It's supposed to activate different brain waves in your brain for various things. That one's for anxiety release. Big move here on a quick whip up here on NQ. That's not too horrible, Matt. Morning, JC. Hey, Speed Racer. How you doing? Wow, big candle here, 10 points. Biggest candle we've seen in quite some time. Good morning, Burrow. Did everyone look at my video that I did with John Burrow about his new uh, journal software that he's released? If you haven't, you should. It's a great piece of software. We're rising up here. I should have taken that long. Looks like I got the fan hitting the mic. Sorry about that, guys. All sorts of problems this morning. Looks like we're pulling back just a tad. Ultra bond market opens, or treasuries market opens in about 10 minutes. We'll start watching that a bit. Oh, nice little move up there. This would have given me 5. So you can see here in the last 30 minutes or so, we could have got 555. So we're watching NQ. Good morning, Robin. How was your weekend? Hmm. It was busy with charting and making videos, so not much different than normal days, except for I slept longer. Yep, that's me, the life of the party. Still rising up here. What's high day? What did I say high day was? High day on ES is 40.62 half. And high day on NQ 12.378. So we're still a ways away from both of those marks. Continuing to move up. So you can see this is a beautiful move up. Came all crashy down here, up, down, and then whoosh. Wonder how long I was muted. I think it was only for a couple seconds. But I realized I had the mic up. It's a Monday. Still rising up. So for the fast track, I need to average over $1,600 a day over the next 4 days. Got a long way to go and a short time to do it in. Little Smokey and the Bandit, Jerry Reed. Yeah, remember we got that Apex 80% off flash sale, ends tomorrow night. Get one, get 20. Get whatever you want. But you should definitely get it. If you want. If you need any more evaluations. Kind of leveling out here, maybe? See, we'll see. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Ouch, ouch. Hmm. 14. Wow, that would have worked. How about that? So I've been working on an adjustment to my strategy. See how it works. Basically what I've noticed, I've been using these engulfing candles, the blue and the purple. And I noticed that for the most part, I can use the length of that candle as the stop. So you can see like here, the length of the candle ended up being about 5 from the close to the bottom. High was 328, and close was 327, low was 323. So it was actually about 4.5. I'll do 5 this to be good. And then I'm shooting for this when it's slow and this early. I might shoot for 1-to-1, but normally I'm going to try and shoot for 1.5-to-1 risk. And we would have got that there, but even so, even if we would have been shooting for 1-to-1, you can see here, that would have been a win. That would have been a win. And we fire one off here on micro NQ. That also would have been a win. So that's what I'm looking at. And using a bit tighter stops because for the most part, now every now and then you get a trigger candle that's like 30 points. I'm not going to do a 30-point stop, obviously. But I spent a good part of the weekend, hours this weekend, charting that out to see if I was right about what I was noticing. And I'm also noticing usually if a trigger fires on ES that did not fire on NQ, it could still be taken. Like this candle here was this candle here, and even though that candle's not blue, you can see it would have worked there. That's why I have ES and NQ up and MNQ. Now I just need to actually take the trades. Yeah, I mean, I want I want better than 1-to-1 normally, but I will also, use common sense, some support and resistance areas and things like that, maybe bands, etc. And like if, a trigger candle is like a 2-point candle, I'm not going to use a 2-point stop. Most likely, I'll probably, lengthen it some. For NQ, of course. For ES, a 2-point stop would be perfect. Now, see here, ES sent me the bullish engulfing there, so I could have taken this NQ. And you see, it went up 4.5. Normally, I'm going to be shooting for 5. But I would probably have put my stop. I should have taken it. I need to start actually taking the trades for them to actually work. But like here, top of that candle right there. See if it touches that. This is already a 5-point candle, so this would have also won. So you can now see here. This would have been, all these triggers would have been good on this way up. And you see how it just touched that? Okay, now it's bursting, trying to go through there. Okay, so it's still going through. So even so, though, that would have been good 5 points. You can see I could have topped off at least 20 points on this way up on this. So I just got to pull the trigger. Get rid of this white line. And not by snorting it. Meanwhile, we'll continue to head up toward the high Globex, 40.62 half for ES, and 12.378 on NQ. Both of those occurred during Asia. Ultra Bond market opened, and I forgot about it again. I swear I have alerts on Ultra Bond. Guess maybe I don't. I need to change that. waiting for our next opportunity. I want to thank everyone for being here this morning. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Remember, feel free to say hello in the chat. Questions, comments are always welcome. If you are enjoying the stream, or if you feel you're going to enjoy the stream, I appreciate if you hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Channel's starting to grow. We're nearing 1,300 subscribers. Picked up a few over the weekend from that interview with Josh from Blue Sky Trading. Pulling back a little bit. No 8:30 news at all today. Only news is at 10. So we might be a little bit choppy, or no, I shouldn't say choppy. We've had a nice trend up. We're just a little bit slower until the bell. Let's see, there's another trigger. I'm starting to feel like we're getting overextended, but I probably shouldn't doubt them. See if it holds. Well, we're in long. Tight stop. About 3.5 points. Had my doubts on this one just because we're so far overextended. But we'll see. There we go. Yep. Pushed up. It's like we got up. Let's see, I'm in at where? 58 quarter. We got up to 62 quarter, so we got 4 points. We didn't get 5. It's coming back down to my entry. Wick bigger than the body here. Yep, coming down. It's going to stop me out. So I should have quickly taken the 20 or 40 after I saw it did not reach. But whatever. That's 75 down $75. So that would have worked if I just moved my stop by a point. No harm, no foul. Now I don't usually take bearish candles if we're above the 20, so that's why I'm not taking anything here. Ultra bond pulling back. Uh, yeah, it's trying to pull right back up, but you can see we're at resistance, and I'm not playing with it right now. Not gonna play with it. It gave me two good candles that I did not take. More on NQ, so just gotta find some confidence and actually take the trades. Especially on this fast track, we're probably gonna up it to 2 contracts here shortly. After getting our feet wet. See, this is an important area. This is a 15-minute chart, so we go back a few hours. You can see how it's butt up against this area a couple of different times since coming down off of its high. It came up here and here. Has not been able to get back through it, so we'll see if it can. Same with NQ, I'm assuming. Yeah, look at that NQ. This is definitely resistance, so we're not going to play until it shows it can break that. And it's trying. I mean, it did snap above it on that candle there. And if I had looked at that earlier, then I probably would have even just taken that quick couple dollars. But I'm also trying to stay in trades instead of just jumping out at the first sign of trouble. Pulls back some. Slowness. We're less than an hour to the bell. Ultraviolet did make a nice move down after that break. Could have got some ticks there. It's trying to push up. There's the bolt. There's the bullish signal on ES. But we're not going to play around this resistance. You can see it's choppy. It's been choppy for 10 minutes now. So are we sideways to go up further, or are we sideways because it's going to come crashing down? We've definitely had a run the last few days. If you look at the, let's look at the chart here on a daily. So as it decides to load for me. Uh-oh, there we go. Daily chart, you can see it came down to its 100, bounced, big move on Friday, 249 ticks after 249 points, after 100-point Thursday. That was it. Remember, it was down big time on Thursday. Went down by 145 points, 35 points, and then rebounded. So it rebounded. It was a 235-point rebound followed by a 249-point day. So far, 51 points today. So, once again, ES sent me that blue candle, and look at that. That would have been 5 points. Now, again, I didn't take that one only because it was at resistance. It's now broken through the resistance. But I am just going to start taking all the candles. Because if I had taken this on NQ, which it was this candle here, you can see it's come up 10 points. And you can see here, again, it wasn't a bullish candle, or, the bullish engulfing on the NQ. But if I had done that whole strategy of utilizing the candle as a stop, it would have only been a 2-point risk if I decided to go there. Now, I probably would have put it at the EMA, so I've been 3. So we could have got a 2R or more there, up to a 3R trade there. But just like all my other strategies that I've come up with, I just need to actually take the darn trades. Also, for those of you that trade the indices, NQES, etc., remember this is the last week for the March contract. We roll to June after this week. ES right near its high day, as is NQ. Y'all quiet today. You can tell it's a Monday. Wake up, people. Weekend's over. So getting toward high day. Literally a point away from it. And NQ about 9 points away. Ultra Bod hanging around this 100. Watching pull back now. Good morning, Heffies. How are you? Pushing, pull back. So ES got within 2 points of its high. Or 1 point, something like that. And shied away from it. I'm sorry, that's NQ. That's no wonder. Yeah, ES got within 3 ticks of its high. NQ got within 8 points of its high. That's a good thing, heavies. And break of high day. No, not yet. Look at that. Again, the blue candles would have worked. I gotta just forget about support and resistance. Wow, now we are breaking. Both ES and NQ broke new high day. Again, you can see every one of these blue candles would have worked. You know, 739 right here, 839 with a 5-point stop. There. I mean, heck, with a 3-point stop, it would have worked. And again, big boom up. What, for every time I don't take a trade? I think I'll need Pal to print me some money for that. Yep. So I just think I just got it. You can see here, this has been 5 or 6 trades this morning already in the first hour or so. I should be up $600. So we're just going to do this. I just start telling myself that it's got to be overextended, but yet I don't look at any of that when I'm charting this out. And you can see, you know, I spent the entire weekend doing this. Turn back time. You know, figuring out just I was just looking at the triggers too. I wasn't even marking the EMA breaks. And you can see how often keeps saying the same things, expecting different results somehow. Now we are pulling back. I do often say that moves trends often end with an impulse candle, and we do see how this is pulled back. Let's see where it goes. We're about 45 minutes until the bell. There's another one. Went away. Hanging here around 371. Pulling back. Got the energies market opening about 10 minutes, 12 minutes, something like that. Let's take a quick gander at what crude's doing. Crude's trying to push back up. Natural gas is trying to bounce there. Our high, 12,382 quarter. About 10 points off of that now. ES also pulling back now. ES got the 4064. And we're down to the 20. ES trying to break the 20. So, looks like we'll see if it bounces here or not. Right? That could have been the end of the trend. The trend ender. Good morning, Andrew. How are you doing? This is a break of the 20, but I'm not taking this short. Ultra Bond made a beautiful move down. Never gave me a signal though. But I could have got in once it broke the 20. I mean the 100. Reminder, folks, I'm putting up a lot of non-live content. You should really check it out. My interview with Josh from Blue Sky Trading, definitely a great interview. He said a lot of things that made me think even better about Blue Sky. We're doing fast track videos each day. We have a video up about John Burrell's journaling software that he's now released to purchase. It's a great piece of software. Week in review is up as well. Pop and try to pop back up. Let's see what it does here. Up, down, up, move maybe? I mean, down, up, down. Thank you, Dave. Appreciate that. Thank you, Andrew. Watching for our next possibility. Yes, the like button looks very bullish. Good morning, Ace. How was the 3-day weekend? Got a little bounce there on your beat. Glad to hear it, Ace. Just hanging around here, 12,363, ES at 40.58. Good morning, John. Thank you. Glad you enjoyed it. Awesome. I appreciate that, John. We got ourselves, oh, nope, there's golfing went away. And Ultravon coming up. Not really a bullish engulfing there. Oh, there we go. Another break to the top side. Taking a long here. Stop. Gonna be below that last candle. See what we get. Yep. It's gonna stop me out, I think. Hard to see. Yeah, that was a weak long signal there. Let's see where it goes. Maybe we'll get something. So it's hard to see. We'll move to this chart. There we go. I'm in at 67.5. It's back up to 66, 67, 67.25. There we go. Back to my entry. There, that's easier to see. There we go. There we go. There's a nice little push. Yep. Rejected. ES, I had a feeling ES wasn't coming with it, so I had a feeling I should have just taken a quick 30 bucks there. Oh yeah, good call on that, JC. Yep. He's trying to bounce there. Top of the hour. And this is going to stop me there. There we go. Nice move there. So we're down 136 on the morning. Ah, man. See, that was one time the tightening my stop didn't work. How about that? And right back down. Big candle down, 7.5. We're going to try to short here. That looks like a bad idea, too. Okay, so today's not working the way I wanted to. Let's see if that comes back down for me. Full 5-point stop on this. So let's see. There it is. There's coming down. There we go. No, maybe not. Come on, get out of my way. Crude dropping. Ooh, crude dropping. The crude opens trying to get down to its daily low there. About a 25 tick drop. Yeah, Ace John Burrell released the trade journal he created, um, and I did an interview with him over the weekend. Posted it up about how it works and all that. No, it's on my channel, Ace. $30, one-time fee, but there's a coupon code MOT MOT to get you $5 off. Here's the link to that video. Good morning, Avi. Oh, good, because I'm in short NQ, so let's hope that works out. There we go. Market bends to Ace's will. Ultra Bond pulling back. There we go. Target hit. Excellent. So, oh, we got a winner, folks. A winner. We have a winner. And now we're down just $42 on the day. So I stuck with that. All fiber of my being wanted me to get out when it kept popping up. I wanted to get out here. I wanted to get out there, but stuck in it and got my win. Ace is short at 40.58 half. See if that continues to come down for ace. This continues to work down. Not yet given ace 2 points yet. Looks like I might want to work on that. That could have theoretically been another trigger candle for me to get right back in, but nah. There's aces too, I think. No, actually, one tick short yet. Nice little burst there. I'm happy that I read that right. I was a little worried there by they did come up, back up on me, but just trying to push back up here. Ultra Bond must not have the right alerts on that Ultra Bond to figure that out. And popping back up. Popping fresh dough. Haven't done that in a while. So we're about 21 minutes till the bell. Let's see. Go with that. Reminder, folks, if you're enjoying today's stream and you want to make Ace and John happy, you'll hit that like button. It helps out the YouTube algorithm, which helps the channel grow, which in turn makes me happy. We have a new subscriber. I'm not sure who. Let's see if it tells me here. Nope. We're too short of 1,300 now. Always feel free to say hello in the chat. If you're new, introduce yourself if you feel like it. If you don't, I understand. I'm kind of an introvert myself. Well, thank you, Ace. Have a great day, JC. We'll see you tomorrow. Oh, by the way, how much of a shock was it to get back into the cold Wisconsin after being in that Florida sun for 2 weeks? Push down here. Okay, we are just shorted on ES. Stop is at the top of that last candle. Let's see where we go. I had that feeling you were going to say that. See if this continues to push down for us here. We're up a whole tick right now. There we go. Pushing down. ATR is still only around 5, so not going for much more. Yep. Popping up a little bit. Ultra bond pulling back down. Morning, Hassan. Pushing, pushing, pushing. Come on, we need a little push. We all need a little push right this very minute. I have 1 win, 2 losses so far, Hassan. I had a bunch of wins I could have had in the first half an hour that I didn't take. Back up to my entry. That's not a good sign. There we go. Come on down. Come on down. You're the next contestant and give Ox money. I like the sound of that game show, actually. Give Ox money. There we go. We see this is where my target is. It's the bottom of this range here where it kind of went sideways before continuing up earlier. Really? Wow, really? Come on. Push back down for me. Are you really going to have gotten within a point of my target and then go all the way back up? You are, aren't you? If we bounce here, but doesn't. I don't like this at all. Watching this. There we go. Yeah, come on, push it down. Push it down, baby. There we go. See? I stayed calm. It's back to my entry. Now I'm gonna move my target though up to this where it got down to before. Limiting my target a bit, but better chance of it being hit. Yeah. Back to my entry again. Making higher lows. Only about 11 minutes to the bell, so yeah. Yeah, it doesn't look good. But it's touched here before. A couple candles ago. Let's see if it bounces again. There. It's playing with me for sure. UV. It's a bearish engulfing on UV. Back down to my entry. It's enjoying playing with me. We're moving to stop. Back to this level here. It's only going to be a 3-point stop. Yeah, the like button hasn't been smashed a lot lately. My like button supplier hasn't given me my bulk discount anymore. Yeah, I'm out now. So took the small loss. Back down by 102. Watch it come back down now, but that's okay. Keeping the losses small, but that's not helping this fast track, which needs to be completed by Thursday. So we're going to have to start YOLOing. Thank you, Avi. I got out because I was seeing this, I got down to here, came back down, and only came down to there. Only came down to there, and now you can see the heading up. Morning, Leo. Good to see you. Yeah, if I had kept my stop at the original place, I would taken the full stop. My stop was up here, but it just pierced through now. It looks like it wants to come right back down. We're just choppy, so we're probably just going to sit on our hands here until the bell. Now it's trying to tempt me, but yeah, like I said, it's choppy. We're just going to wait. Yeah, I might actually put that on a post for Twitter if you're cool with that. So we did get up now, back up here, and now pulling back. Weird price action this morning. Excellent job, Andrew. Wow, big move back down. Big old purple candle. Starting Friday, we have 3 huge economic reports in 4 trading days. Friday is non-farm payrolls, Tuesday is CPI, and Wednesday is PPI. Then a week from Wednesday on the 22nd is FOMC. And we're bouncing right back up here. Beautiful move down by the Ultra Bond. You can see that bearish engulfing candle would have worked. Looks like it's come down about 5 ticks. I gotta get alerts on those. And we're only about 2.5 minutes until the bell. This wasn't so close to the bell, I would take this short if it held for the next 40 seconds. We are 40 seconds till the bell. Ding, 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 ding. Whoa, big whip up, back down. Ooh, ES and Q going opposite directions. Ring, 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 ring. Wow, boom. 15 points. I mean, that's not that big of a boom. Looks bigger because of everything, but that's what she said. ES is indecisive. Did not reach high day on NQ. Coming back down. Elevator down. Bottom 4. Whoa. ES falling. Not afraid of falling. MNQ actually sent us that little bullish coffee candle right before the big candle. And pushing down further now. Down she blows. We're still above the 100 EMA. Big bounce. Wow, right back up the entire candle. Boom. New high day. Up to 380, 12,390. ES not hit the high day yet, which is 4064 or high Globex. It's about 2 ticks short. Another day, $1.50. Now, you can still afford something at the $1.25 tree. Pulling down. So it got up to 12,396 and then dropped like a rock by 30 points here in the last uh, 90 seconds. Wow, dropped 40 points. Good morning, Glitch. How's your day going? Bouncing here again. You can see it's kind of bouncing on this support area. It struggled to get through this area down here in this in the mid 50s, 350s. We're bouncing back up. You see ES is actually green on this candle. Is T a euphemism for money? No. Let's make that T. Sitting here waiting for our opportunities. Ultra Bond, nice bounce there. I gotta put alerts on the Ultra Bond. Yep, we all need more days like that. I'm short here. Boom. Hitting that, nope, hitting that 100. I gotta be careful here. See if it can break through. Nope. Bouncing on it. Darn it! I should have set my target on that 100. Darn it. See if it comes back down for me. No. No. Wow. Perfect bounce off that 100. I'm out. Taking the $140 loss. Ah, I should have quickly moved my target up to that 100. I have NQ. ES is on the top right hand side, but NQ is what I entered the trade on. ES is at 40.62. Ah, perfect bounce off the 100, and then could have been a trigger back up. Next time I know. Although it didn't go a full 10 back up either yet. There, now it went 10 back up, so that would have been a good trigger. Real quick, this would have been my trigger. Stop would have been the body of the candle, so I only needed a 5-point stop, and I could have got 2R there. I could have also done. I would not just stopped all the way down to 100. I mean, that wouldn't have been horrible either, but the body of the candle would have been perfect. Now we're just rising up. So looks like it hit the 100. That was its bounce pivot. Now we're pushing to the upside. It's an upside candle. Struggling to get through 82 here. And bursts up as soon as I say that. So it's my interview with Josh from Blue Sky's going a little bit viral here. It's up to 619 views. It's gotten like 300 today. Meanwhile, this was like absolutely brutal series of events here. It took that stop there when I could have got a quick target, and then it should have taken it long. Good morning, IMAD. I'm doing all right. High day was 396. This candle just touched 392 as it tries to head back up to its high. So remember that tomorrow and Wednesday, Powell is speaking both days. Testimony apparently before Congress or something like that. Pushing down. ES with a bullish engulfing here. It went away. Looks like it would have worked anyway. Nice move up. Nice call, ace. All right, well, that time ace did get his 2 points before it started coming back down. With a quick whip, got up to 395 half, all the way back down by 20 points on this candle. Wow. So yep, touched 395, which is almost high day. So just like when it's like when it was here, it hit high. You can see it quickly reverses back down. Wow. So big move back down here by about 40, almost 40 points. Back into this soup down here that I was unable to get through earlier. Again, it touches that 100 and coils backwards. There's a break of the 100. Let's see if it holds down to 54. UB, pop him up. Yep, back above the 100. Yes, sniffing its 100 too. Do I take this or not? That's the question. Is this a break of the 100? Looks solid. Ooh, big move there toward the end of that candle. Eh. And there's the bounce I kind of expected. Now, if I entered this, we'll see. If I'd entered this, what I would have done is I would have set my stop at the top of this candle, which is about 11 points. So let's see if it would have given me at least a 1-to-1. This would have been a good, possible good entry candle. You see that long wick. Could have grabbed that. Would have been a little bit risky. Right now, it looks like this was a good idea not to enter here. Let's see if this bounces off the 100, though. It might have another entry for the downside after the pullback or pull up or whatever you want to call it. Don't like calling it a pull up. Then I think of I'm a big kid now. Touch that 100. Bearish engulfing, or trying to be. Ooh, big pullback right at the end of that candle. I'm going short. That was not a good idea, I don't think. Maybe. Stop is still at the top of that candle. There we go. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Give it to me, baby. I was still struggling in that area. Darn it. Thought we had a breakdown. Come on, maybe. There we go. Come on. Hey, Ace, still no sign of RJ. Do you think the kid, like, has him in a closet somewhere and locked the door? It's going to take the full stop. So nothing working today, and I didn't let the stuff that would have worked work earlier. That's okay. Fast track pretty much done now, but we'll continue trying. I just can't trade on stream, I don't think, anymore. That was a dumb entry. This is a long entry. Do I try it? No, I'm not going to try it there. Back down. Of course. A horse is a horse, of course, of course. Nice move up. About an hour to go on the stream. So that could have been a trigger candle. And it would have given me, well, not quite yet. Would have given me, no, close to 10. There was 10. No one really needed a 7.25 stop to give me my 10 points. It says I don't have 10 yet, but I know I did. Down then up. It's trying. There's our bullish engulfing. Went away. Into a red candle. Back up. Pulls back. Try to push up again. Kind of hanging around 380 here, a little under. ES hanging around 4064, which was the overnight high, Globex high. Pulling back. Back down to the EMA. Pushing through it again. Bearish engulfing on the Ultra Bond. Bouncing on NQ. Bearish engulfing went away on the Ultra Bond. Big bounce on NQ. Long. Oh crap, we have a news in a minute. Yep. I entered that order as soon as my alarm went off for it. I will get out here in 10 seconds if nothing happens. Yeah, I'm out. Small loss there. 2 ticks. I should have stayed in. Darn. Well, look at that. I should have stayed in, grabbed the win, but hey, whatever. News there, pulling back slightly. This was probably not major market moving news. U.S. factory orders month over month, negative 1.6. Expected was negative 1.8. U.S. core durable goods revised 0.8%. Expected was 0.7. Ooh, actually, wow, big move down. Ultra bond. Could have taken that short. Nice. No more news today, so I removed that window from the screen. Back down to its 100 EMA, bouncing. There's the break of the 100. I've tried this break before. This didn't work. Bouncing on it, trying to break through. Alright, iMad, good luck. Bounced perfectly off that 100 EMA. But only went up 7 points off my trigger. It's a very choppy day. Well, coming back down. Or not. It doesn't know what it wants to do with its life. I know the feeling. Ouch. Watching it. See if we get any other opportunities. Two-bar pull back here. Coming back down. Sellers are trying to come in. Breaking of the 20. See if it bounces. Right, there we go. Oh, there we don't go. Whipping back down. Whip that hair. There's a stronger move. It goes away to at the end of the candle. Wow. Choppiness this morning. No decent action here. Wow. As I say that, then we get a huge candle. 15 points. ES up to 40.68. High day in front Q 396. We're at 391. There's 395 again. Remember the last time it's hit the high day twice, it immediately reversed. Oh, there's a break. There's a break at 12,400. ES up to 40.71. Nice job, Andrew. It's continuing to rise up here now. So let's look at the NQ on the hourly chart. We haven't been this high since the February 20th. Well, that's ES, but either way, same difference. Pulling back now after hitting 406. ES hit 40.73 3/4. Blue candle. Overextended into the bands. Not taking it. Stretching. So I'm watching and waiting for our next opportunity. Some embarrassing stats up there right now. I'd like to get something back. A little pull back here on the indices. Strong candle back up, nearing that, going back up toward that high. And getting beaten back down that same area. See here, we've touched 406, 403, 404, 404. Right back down right now. Crude oil, after that dump there at its market open, rebounded, coming back up. Gold, what's gold doing? Gold, wishy-washy. No, probably not till the end of the week, Andrew. So am I going to regret this? I bet you I am. I don't like to take candles that are playing in the bands, but let's look at this. Stop would have been there, so about 8 1/4. Looking for probably 10, 10 to 11. Let's do 10. Let's see if that would have won. If it does, I'm just going to have to start taking it no matter where they're at. This touched 12,410, which is a new high of the day. Apparently, Elite Trader Funding is offering a trading psychology workshop starting March 13th. Um, I guess it's a $300 course though, but it's covering a lot of different things about trader psychology. And the first 20 users to sign up will receive 50% of their costs paid by Elite Trader Funding. And yes, this would have worked. Uh, Burrow NinjaTrader gives you the gives you an alert to roll as well, but it often rolls before the new contract has more volume than the old. So I don't even like to follow when the various things tell you to roll. Because most likely NinjaTrader will send me the alert on Wednesday or Thursday, but most likely this March contract is going to continue having the most volume until the end of the week. Take the candles. Look at this. So off of that first, either one of these blue candles would have worked. I just hesitated because we were right up in the bands. Maybe I need to take every other indicator off here besides my moving averages and my golfing candles and just trade that way. Because this, look at this. Look at this go. 428 now the high. ES up to 40.76. Your algo running today, Burl? Are you in this trade? Do you know? Continuing his rise up. Look at this beautiful move. What's the Ultra Bond doing? Ultra Bond moved back. Oh, actually, Ultra Bond's rising up there too on the one. Pulling back a little bit here. Got up to 12.438. Pulled back by about 10. It's going to tempt me here with another blue candle. That's going to be way into the bands if I look at the. Oh, no, maybe not. Pulling back. 25 seconds on this candle. 12.430. Yep. The engulfing candle went away for now. Pull one down. So we got up, like I said, to 438. It's now pulled back by about 15, 13 points. Copper's making a beautiful move up. Let's look at that. Yeah, new daily high. Look at that. This is on the 15-minute chart, and that's unusual on a 15-minute chart to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 out of 16 green candles. And reached a high. Now let's pull back by about 20. Popping up again, trying to give me a bullish engulfing, but the 4 straight red candles, I don't always trust it. I like bullish engulfings that are after one red candle. There you can see it's got beaten back down. Sometimes you gotta beat it down. I came back. I was distracted for a second. So of course this one's gonna work. In this case, if I had taken that one, I would have set my target there. So that's 28 to 37, 10 points. But I've been very good. With only about a 5-point risk. And this is going to work. Watch this. Yep, there it goes. Nah. I got distracted for 1 second and missed the entry. I got a little bit above the high day. Need a new high day at 12,440. Ultra bond pulling back down. Staying above the white line though. Just hanging here. I gotta start letting my strategy work for me. This one would have won, that one would have won. If I would have stayed out of the choppiness, I wouldn't have taken the losses. And trying to make a new high, failed. See if it breaks. Our high is right there, 440. See, it's sideways. Yes, as high as 40.78 quarter. Here's a quarter. ES doesn't care. Wow, we're just all of a sudden gotten really slow. The oomph is going out of the market those last 5 minutes. Oh, never mind. It just found some oomph. New high day there on NQ. Not able to sustain above. We'll move our little white line there back to the new high day. Made a new high by like 9 ticks. Trying to push up again. It's got to get back through the high day before it take it seriously. You see it's coming down. So it came down, pushed up sideways. It's 10:30. Could be seeing the start of the 10:30 reversal here if this starts breaking down. The 10:30 classic, as RJ puts it. Still no RJ. Oops. Oops. Still sitting here. Not these candles are small and our ATR's falling under 10. ES, these candles are also small, of course. Be weird if the ES candles are big. Just trying again for a little push. Just retouched. 442. Stretching again. Sorry. Didn't mean to groan in your ear. New high. And there we go. Now we got some oomph again. Going heading for 450. One back down. Wow, look at that beautiful move on the altar bomb down. And that was a beautiful bearish engulfing to lead that down. And that's a 9 to a 10 tick move down. And there's a possible, there we go. Now we're seeing a little bit move down here on NQ. About a 5-point candle down. So watching this, it's gotten very just kind of dull here. So what happens when you don't have major news reports or any Fed speakers? Oops, what did I just do? I don't know. Oil still rising up. I see oil here. It's about mid-range. Yeah, it's been choppy glitch. That said, I mean, I've had opportunities that I just didn't take based on my strat. You can see here, we got in this move up in the last half hour, 3 blue candles, 1, 2, 3, well actually 4, but these two are like almost side by side. And all these would have worked for 10 points at least. And here we go. So, I thought about taking this short off of that candle, even though we're above the 20 because of this. And you can see here we've come from 37 down to 28. See if we kind of bounce here on the 20. There's a pretty good bouncy looking bounce. Nope. Not a sustained bouncy bounce. Maybe. It can't decide where it wants to go. I don't know where it's going. I only know where it's been. There's always a bullish engulfing on ES and on MNQ, but not on regular NQ. Curious to see if it would have went 5 for me here. There's that high of day looming. Looming. I see this one here again. One I should have taken. Would have been about a 7.5 stop because it went for 11, or even just 10. 10 would have been a good 1.33 to 1 risk reward. And with pulling back, so that would not have given me the 5 that I was looking for there. So far. And it hasn't pulled back by 5 either. It's still trying. Interesting. My strategy says take this candle into the resistance. My brain says don't do that, you idiot. Just made a new high. Touched it, pulled back. We're long. We're late, but we're long. Ooh, and it's bouncing off resistance. Putting my stop at the bottom of that last candle. Okay, so my brain told me my brain was right versus my strategy. Oh, maybe. Maybe my brain wasn't right. And it pushed through the new highs. There we go. Wow. So there we go. Brain. Coming right back down. I'm going to get out. Small win. Very small. See if I should have stayed in. I bet you. Yep, I'm an idiot. Again. Got out of 49. So far, it got up to 52. Let's see if it goes any higher. Yep, 53. I gotta just. I was afraid because we were at high date and that it was gonna come back, but I just need to follow the strategy. I don't look at stuff like that when I'm backtesting and seeing how well this works. I just gotta stop doing that crap in real time. 47 so far to 53. I mean, it was a win. Very small win. Let's see what. Yep, look at this. So I was in at 47 looking for 10, and there I would have got it 50. How do I stop myself from doing that? Either take what it gives you or take the loss. My strategy says you're most likely going to win. So we're continuing to head up to new highs. See here, this is NQ on the hourly. Strong 81 point candle hourly here. And you can see now we are way back here, right yonder on the Chattahoochee, to February 16th is the last time we were at this level. And still rising. So you can see here, here's where I got skittish, and you can see how much further it went. I was in at 47. It's gone over 20 points. A little bit of a pullback. Another bullish engulfing. Went away. Give me 1 second. Oh, right. Back. A little bit of a fading down here. Just kind of waiting. And ES is breaking its 20 here. NQ not quite as close, but definitely a big pullback. Yeah, it's been not an easy day to trade. Have a good day, Glitch. You'll get it back tomorrow. So, about 10 minutes ago in stream, obviously we're not going to get back what we've lost, but I do trade the fast track after stream, so yeah, easy for me to say. Make sure you watch the video later today, see how it turns out. See if I crash out of the race, see if I can get back into it, see if what happens. Up, down, up. I mean, down, up, down here on ES. Will NQ follow suit? There we go. NQ's at the 20. ES is below it. CES trying to push down here. So day ends with a whimper, or at least the stream does. And Q trying to push down. But ES is bouncing back up. Bouncing. Trying one more long here. Real tight on the stop. There we go. Nope, coming back down. Trying. No. Can't break to the upside. Ah, stopped out. That was a good try, but nothing going. So that's where we're going to end this stream. And I'm not going to take any more trades. We'll let it play out for the next 4 minutes. Down, up. And right back up. Big blue candle. Quick rejection back down. So that's where we're going to wrap it up for today, guys. I want to thank everyone for joining me. Back here tomorrow morning, 8 a.m. Eastern. And we'll be on the watch for the fast check video later today. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Thank everyone for joining me today. If you've enjoyed today's content, hope you've hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love for you to do so and join the herd. As a reminder, we do stream every weekday morning starting at 7:30 a.m. and we usually go to around 11 a.m. We will also love to have you join our Discord community of both veteran traders and newer traders, prop traders and non-prop traders, all interacting about trading and just general stuff as well. In addition, follow our social media for other updates. We're on Twitter at MightyOxTrading, Instagram is the same, MightyOxTrading, and Reddit is r/Ox Market Trading. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time. Thank you, Andrew. Appreciate that very much. Have a great day.